That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money.
These pepperoni pizza egg rolls are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Start by adding pepperoni and a mozzarella cheese stick to the center of your egg roll wrapper. Brush the edges with water, then roll them up just like this and fry for 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown. Brush the tops with herb butter, add Parmesan cheese, and then you're ready to enjoy.
Eggs with sauce. Simple and delicious eggs. Bowl. Add half a teaspoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, a spoonful of soybean oil, sprinkle with a little chopped green onion and mix well. Pour the eggs into the plate, and use chopsticks to mix the egg liquid and seasonings evenly. The water is boiled and steamed for 10 minutes, and the simple and delicious eggs are ready.
So I tried the chicken nugget trend. Canned chicken breast, egg, and cheese. Air fry it. Oh my goodness! So good!
And now we're going to let this cook. Alright, so with the caramelizing around the outside, this is going to give us a good chance to flip, but I want to do a cool little thing with Coca-Cola. So what I'm going to do is open this, hope it doesn't spew on me. Alright, I'm going to let that pop a little bit. There you go. Now it's time to flip, so we're going to go in at a little bit of an angle and go slow with this, and we're just going to fold it over. You can give it a little push, just like so. Grab it under it, pull it back. Continue with the next one. Pull that one back in the center. Then do the last one here. Now if you don't have maple syrup, guess what you use next? It's going to be the Coca-Cola here. So I'm just going to pour this right over it. And the reason that I'm using Coke here is that it has sugar in it. So if you don't have maple syrup, you can infuse the Coke flavor into these candied bacon grilled cheeses. Alright, so that looks great. So now it's on to the next step. Your yolks, you're just going to pour it over a grill just like so. Alright, so now I've whipped the egg whites to a perfect little peak there. So I'm going to bring in my tray, and I have 3 circles drawn. And what these are going to be the size of the cornbread that we're going to have at the end. Try to make sure everything's going to stay in that little circle that we drew. And at this moment, go in the center with your spatula and just kind of twist out a little hole and push in. So just got that little bit of a well there. I'm going to grab my eggs. Alright, going to my second one here. And there we go. Alright, at this moment, we're just going to get the rest of the egg whites. We're going to cover it up, make a little bit of a kind of a basket, just like so. And now we're going to go into a preheated oven of 400 degrees for 10 minutes. So you're going to cut right into it, and it's just like a poached egg back home. Yeah, there you go.
Yum.